If you're a Blender user and want to level up your lighting techniques, then you probably need this video, because here we have 10 of the best and all free Blender add-ons that will take you from noob to pro. We do also share a lot of those on the channel, all in one playlist, so like and subscribe for more dope stuff. Let's go! Coming at number 1, we have the Pro Sky add-on, a powerful tool to create realistic sky, space, or sci-fi scenes. It uses procedural calculations for the world texture, allowing for fast rendering and great control over nearly every aspect of the scene. Available on Gumroad for free, so get it from there. We can after that go to Blender Add-ons setting in the preferences to install it, and you will find it after that in the side menu. I did try it with Blender 4.1 and had some difficulties with it. The Add Sky button places only the sun on the scene, but it does add the sky nodes in the world settings, so we can assign them there. It's still cool, and I can see this goes really well with many cool shots, so give it a try next time you have a retro vibe landscape or cyberpunk theme. The Sun Position add-on is one of the essential tools for me, allowing for better control between the default sky node and the sun lamp in the scene to create lighting from them in an easy and fast way. This tool is built in Blender, so you need to turn it on, and it will be located in the world settings, and with it on cycles, you can easily use the Nishida sky with a sun to create awesome lighting for any scene in no time, so keep it in mind. Polyhaven is one of the biggest asset destinations. The site has a lot of cool stuff, from models to textures and even HDRI files. This add-on can help bring all that to your Blender in one click. This one is available on GitHub for free. It's also on the market with a pro-paid version if you want to support the author, and you can read all about that on this page. Once you get the tool, we can install it normally in Blender, and you need to make an asset library in the file paths with the name Polyhaven for it to work smoothly. It will give a note if you messed up, so don't worry. Anyway, once you're done, open your asset browser and look for the library you made. Then hit download for everything, or select any section you want to download, so have fun. The HDRI Sun Aligner is a must tool when adding scene environment. This one automatically rotates the sun to match it with the brightest point in the HDRI environment texture. So no weird shadows, no manual edit, just 2 clicks, and you're done. Available on this page for free, and it's been for a while, so go there, read all about its use, then get it and keep it close, because you will need it. Next in line, we have the Extra Lights Add-on, a tool to add physically based lights and expand your Blender's lights menu. This one has both a free and a paid version. The free one is on GitHub, and you can get it from there, but also the paid one on the market is more on the pro side with extra presets, so go your way with it. We can download it from this page and install it in Blender, and you will see it in the Add menu under Light. Those photometric light presets can help you cut time and create realistic lighting with ease. So have fun. The LeoMoon LightStudio, the easiest, fastest, and most advanced lighting system for your objects. This one can help you customize your lighting around the scene by adding or removing lights around objects, switching between light profiles with a single click, animating your light options and textures, and many more features. Available on its site for free, and there's a tutorial video there with all the info which you might need. So give it a try. It's really dope. The Tri-Light add-on is a built-in tool in Blender to help you light any object using 3 lamps, then customize it for the best result. You can enable it in the add-on setting, and once you select any object, you will have it in the light menu, so click on it and change the options from the pop-up menu to get the best studio lighting with a couple of clicks. Similar to the Tri-Light, we have the Quick Lighting environment. With this one, you only need one click to set up the lighting in your scene. Available on Gumroad for free, very useful for product renders, and once you install it, you will have a menu in the world settings with a big button. So click that and enjoy. Coming at number 9, we have the Light Painter add-on, which, as the name suggests, this tool creates lights based on where you paint. This has many cool options, from light settings to environments and shadow paint. So best to try it out. You will find it on GitHub, and there are many general tips to read before you jump into this. Last but not least, we have the Light Manager. This one provides you with a light list and controls to tweak your lighting. Available on Gumroad for free, and using this can help you adjust each light in detail with one menu. Pretty cool. And that's all for today. Remember to keep in touch for more dope-free stuff and like the video so we can spread the joy. See you next time. Stay sharp. Goodbye.